Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing two things, the audio and the wallpaper canvas. Choose a short MP3 or WAV, trimmed to 10-30 seconds to save battery and storage. Once done, open your live wallpaper app. I recommend a video-capable or KLWP-style editor, and grant storage plus audio permissions so the app can access files. Now create a new wallpaper project, import your background image or animation, and add the audio track as a media layer. To begin, you now embed the audio into the wallpaper timeline and configure how it plays. Import the track as a media layer, then set its loop behavior, continuous loop for ambient sound, or play on tap for intermittent effects. Make sure to assign a start trigger, on load for automatic playback, or on tap for user control. Adjust volume inside the app, and if the file is large, lower bitrate or sample rate to balance quality and battery. Test playback inside the editor to confirm sync with visuals. Apply the finished wallpaper and set it to your home or lock screen. Make sure the app is allowed to set wallpapers. Once applied, verify device volume and do not disturb settings, because muted audio or restricted background playback will stop the sound. If you still hear nothing, export the composition as a short looping video and use a video live wallpaper approach or recheck media permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the app's background audio permission and test again. That usually resolves silent wallpapers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.